So, Bruce, it's Valentine's Day. You know, your favorite Hallmark holiday.
I thought we stopped doing Valentine's Day drinks.
Nah. What? You got your book there. What are we making?
Something. Well, I got my pink shirt on for Valentine's Day.
So you put some effort into it.
That was just by chance. Let me tell you. Valentine's. I have no idea, man.
Anything with like Cupid or kissy kissy.
Oh well, here's one. A wet kiss.
Don't do that.
All right. Okay. Let's make a wet kiss. Martini. This is the dumbest thing you've had me do yet, Aaron. Let's just make the damn drink. Okay, we're gonna start making a wet kiss with 3 ounces of orange juice. That seems like an awful lot of orange juice. But maybe it'll taste okay. I'm looking like I don't think it's a martini by the looks of it, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Okay, here we go. Well, there's 1 ounce.
Gonna speed this up for the people at home here, Bruce.
Yeah, okay. Speed it up for me too. I'm gonna use one. There's 2 ounces. We're getting there. Ooh, if I take my time and do this long enough, Valentine's Day will be over. All right, 3 ounces. Whew. Whew. Is it still Valentine's Day? Shit, man. Okay, 1.5 ounces of gin. I got the Bloom here, London Dry, 1.5 ounces. 1/2 ounce of Amaretto. Pop in some ice. And shake it. Shake it for your sweetie. That's all you need. Okay, we're just going to strain it, fine strain it, maybe. Yeah, there it is. We're going to fine strain into our chilled martini glass. Shouldn't it be pink for Valentine's Day, Aaron? All right. And weirdly enough, the book says to garnish with a lime wedge. All right. No? All right. Okay, let's see what this thing tastes like. I smell a little bit of gin, mostly orange juice. I don't know what this guy's doing here. I guess it's complimentary. I don't know whether my taste buds are fried because I'm a million years old, but it tastes like orange juice, fresh pressed. I get a very slight hint of amaretto. I think, the portions are all wrong. You know, I don't know. See if that does anything. No. If anything, throw a pretzel in there. Yeah, I'm out of here.
So it's not a martini?
It's not a martini! I'm smelling pretzel. I think the salt actually softens the orange juice flavor down quite a bit. And actually it's bringing out the amaretto a little bit too, believe it or not.
So what you're saying is, Bruce, put in a pretzel so it gets all soggy and dissolves in your not martini.
Oh, yeah.
Say goodnight, Bruce.
Good night, Bruce.